Today, guys, I'm going to take a look at a tool that I just recently bought off of Amazon. It is the Hatch Jammer XL. Part number 17200. I was very pleased at the way it was packaged. Instead of just sending it in this box here, they had it in a much larger box with even some bubble wrap to ensure that there wouldn't be any damage. I like to see that. Now you can buy this in two different versions. This one is the number 17100 Hatch Jammer, $32. It only includes this base section that hooks into the base of your tailgate where it latches down, and then the top sliding section. So it's shorter, and I wanted to buy the longer version. Then it comes in the, what I have, the 17200, the XL. Now I paid $59.02. So that was just a little more than a week ago. Of course, you know how prices fluctuate on Amazon. And so now you get the original, the two top pieces there that you see at the top. Those are the 17100. That extra long bar at the bottom allows you to extend it much taller, which I figured why not just get the extra. And I believe you can buy that piece separately. Now the only issue that I had when I received this, if you even want to call it that, wasn't a big deal, very simple, is that this hook, sliding hook, was pushed in to where you couldn't see it and was back in here a bit, and it wouldn't come out. So I just pulled this piece off, took a piece of rebar and just hit it so it would come out. And then it was just a simple matter of taking needle nose pliers and in this crease just pinching it a little bit more so we wouldn't have that problem again. So worked out great, not a big deal at all. The supplied knobs are threaded 5/16, and they're 1.25 inches long. The threaded portions 1.25 inches long. The folded length, as you see here, of the short section, which would be, if you bought it just like this, it would be their number 17100, is 16 inches collapsed all the way down. Now something I did is, let me loosen this up and extend it and pull it out. I just elected to make a mark on here so that way, as you can see here, it wouldn't come out any further. So that's why you've got that black line on there. So, and I believe that's about 1 inch. Now the mark that I made there is about 1 1/16, so basically 23, because you want to be safe, would be about as much as you could extend that. As you see it here, it is 23 inches. Here you see the design of the hook end. This is what would latch into the movable tailgate of your vehicle. Now this is the extension. I thought I saw somewhere where you could buy that separate, but this, in combination with the short section, makes this the 17200 if bought together. And the overall length is 22 5/16. You'll notice it's got this little plunger here with various holes. You've got 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, which allows you to position just like that. and set like this, you'll get 38 and 7/8 inch overall length. Let's take a close-up look. That's just a simple, I've seen this in many items that are adjustable like that. Steel clip. You can see how that starts here, goes, wraps around, and then you can see where it curves back. It's right there, so it's real simple. You could push that down enough, push it, take a punch or something, push it down and pull it out if you wanted to. Very simple design. Next, what I want to do is take my 0 to 1 tube mics and just see what the wall thickness is of the tubing used in this tool. So I'm getting 46 thousandths. Now that 46 thousandths was this tube section right here. Now we're going to check the tube section that slides into this. So let's see what this portion measures. Now this is the one that will slide into all the other ones. On this I'm getting 43 thousandths. And just to be clear, when I mic'd this, I mic'd it on the smooth portions here on both pieces, not the ones that have been cut into by the 5/16 bolt. Here you can see how it's very simple matter of taking the end and pushing it up into the latch of your tailgate. And of course, to release it, you would just hit the button that you would naturally to open up the tailgate. Now, attachment to the bottom part of the hook for your tailgate is very simple. Once you loosen the hook up, simply put it in the latch portion like that, close it, tighten that down, and you are good to go. And the beauty of this design is that you can't lose this hook if you just loosen this up a little bit, because of the hook, the hook that they got built into this, so it can't come out. And I'll show you here. If I loosen it up more, it'll come out. But it's got this loop in the end that, when stuck in there, makes sure that it cannot come out any further. Really nice design. Now the beauty of this tool is that it allows you to have the tailgate at any position. So if you're doing any maintenance or work on it, you can easily put it to that desired height. You've got to maybe change the rear camera, change some bulbs. This allows you to easily accomplish that, and you can do it yourself. You won't need to have somebody hold it or put it in a position that is awkward for you to work on. If you have to change the struts on the tailgate, very easy to accomplish by having it held up. Now you don't have to worry about somebody holding it or using a piece of wood to prop it that might slip and the tailgate would fall, maybe do some damage to it. As you can see, it's not going to go anywhere. And if you want, you can tighten that a little bit more down at the base of the vehicle, but I elected not to. I want it to swing just a little bit so that as you adjust it, it can move. If you have it too tight, then it won't move. So